Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Kevin in New Mexico on this Ranger RCI 69 base. Kevin got ready to go for you, bud. Just our standard tune and alignment per your request. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Got you at 2 watts, that way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 15 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Low off. 40, 45 birds, somewhere in there. 100 watt slug in PEP. Low. I'm at 98 PEP. Rode all the way down. Hello. Still the same 98. Kevin, you was asking me about the channel capability, so let me show you. All the way up to 29,455, actually 29,655, and all the way down to 24,265. Alrighty, we got you ready to go there, Kevin. We'll send this out the door. It's a pretty good stretch to New Mexico, so look for this maybe on Monday or Tuesday. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Mama.